My name is Laura Nelson, and I'm the Director of Academic Development for the Pillars Christian Learning Centers in Texas. We've had the privilege of partnering with Prina Richards and Together We Grow for about a year now. Prina's coaching has profoundly impacted our team, helping us to transform how we support our teachers and create meaningful learning experiences for our children. I'm honored to share more about our journey and the incredible value her program has brought to our centers. Well, we first encountered Prina when we invited her to be the keynote speaker at one of our conferences. Her insights inspired our team, and we left the session with many valuable takeaways. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive, and we knew we needed more of her expertise to help us address the increasing challenges in our classrooms. And after learning that only 25% of strategies from a single professional development session were typically implemented, but that with ongoing coaching and mentoring, implementation jumps up to 20%. We knew Prina's personalized coaching was exactly what we needed to ensure lasting success for our children, our teachers, and our administrators. Prina's coaching has truly transformed the way we approach teaching. One of her greatest strengths is her ability to make us think outside of the box. She encourages us to deeply reflect on why we teach the way we do and to question if it's really what's best for the children or if it's what's best for us. This shift in perspective has been eye-opening for our team. Through her coaching, our education coordinators have gained the tools to build confidence in their coaching roles, developing stronger connections with teachers and with the children. We've seen a positive change in the classroom dynamics, with teachers feeling more comfortable coming forward with questions and seeking solutions. Prina's focus on brain development and practical strategies has really equipped us to handle challenging behaviors and helped us lead with greater purpose and intention, which transformed our environments into spaces for purposeful, meaningful learning and teaching. Prina's coaching is primarily delivered online, where we meet weekly in small groups. During those sessions, teachers and administrators can bring up specific challenges they're facing in the classroom. Prina offers tailored advice and solutions we can try in the coming week. Recordings are shared with if anyone can't join live, and teachers can submit their questions beforehand. The peer learning aspect is precious too, as we all learn from each other's experiences and insights. As members of her program, we also gain access to professional development training from industry leaders worldwide. This isn't just limited to our education coordinators who work with Prina directly. It's open to all of our teaching members, and expanding their knowledge and helping them grow professionally is what we're all about. If you're looking to improve the quality of teaching and create a more collaborative, reflective team environment, this program is invaluable. Prina's personalized coaching provides real, actionable strategies that help teachers feel confident and supported in their classrooms. Her approach addresses classroom challenges and inspires us to think critically about our practices and always strive for what's best for the children. It's a great opportunity to gain new insights and foster a culture of growth and continuous improvement across your teaching team. And really, that's what it all comes down to, making a lasting impact on the teachers and the children. And we've been able to do just that with Prina's coaching. As a team, we've seen the profound impact that Prina Richards and the Together We Grow coaching courses have had on our educators, our classrooms, and overall our approach to teaching. If you're ready to invest in real, lasting change that benefits children and teachers, this program can take your team to the next level. We couldn't be more grateful for the growth we've experienced, and we highly recommend Prina's coaching to anyone looking to foster meaningful, joyful learning in their classrooms.